Hello! This time I'll make homemade table saw, with circular saw. Drilled 4mm holes in circular saw base, that will be new fixing points to the board. Also clean burrs left after drilling. For table saw top, I'll use some old laminated particle board. It's 1.8 cm thickness, 50 cm wide and 80 cm long. I think it was a part of cabinet or closet before. But it will work for me ideal, because this board is straight, and all edges are perfectly square. Put circular saw in my preferred place. I wanted to have 30 cm from front to the saw, but that depends from your personal mind. Check if everything is square, and marked fixing points. Pre-drilled and run all 5 screws in. I used 16mm wood screws with flat head. This will give more holding surface and sits better to flat circular saw base. Let's check does it still perpendicular to surface, and to front edge. Marked, pre-drilled and screwed 2 beams with 8 by 4 cm size to bottom of board. This will be fixing structure for table saw legs. To make legs, I used the same laminated particle boards like before, from same old closet. In the middle of legs, inserted one more board, to give support for all construction. Zip-tied depressed trigger. Made 2 holes, to zip it power strip. I'm using power strip with on-off button. That will be my on-off switch. And finally, let's test it. With 2 clamps and square beam, I made temporarily side fence. It works and cuts perfectly square. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.